Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best rust inhibitor available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Vivideye Rust Inhibitor. This 2-in-1 rust converter and primer is an excellent solution for restoring and protecting metal surfaces without the hassle of multiple products. Its advanced formula chemically converts existing rust into a durable black protective coating, effectively halting corrosion while creating a solid primer for additional paint. The low viscosity, water-based formula penetrates deeply into rusted areas instead of merely covering the surface, ensuring long-lasting resistance against moisture and oxygen. Application is straightforward with spray, brush, or roller, and the low VOC composition makes it safer and easier to use for both indoor and outdoor projects. It performs exceptionally well on automotive frames, tools, machinery, steel structures, fences, bridges, and outdoor furniture, delivering reliable protection in demanding environments. Fast drying with quick recoating capability helps complete projects efficiently, while the durable finish provides an ideal foundation for top coats, making it a dependable, professional-grade choice for extending the lifespan of rust-prone metal surfaces. Next up, we have Corrosion Rust Inhibitor. This 2-in-1 rust converter and primer offers a practical, professional-grade solution for preventing corrosion while simplifying metal restoration projects. Its advanced formula chemically converts existing rust into a durable protective coating, eliminating the need for a separate primer and creating a strong foundation for long-lasting protection. The water-based, low-odor composition is environmentally friendly, easy to clean with water, and ideal for both professionals and DIY users. Once cured, it delivers outstanding resistance to UV rays, moisture, salt, chemicals, and abrasion, helping metal surfaces withstand harsh weather and demanding environments. Application is straightforward, simply remove loose rust, brush on thin coats, and allow adequate drying time for a smooth, tightly bonded finish. Compatible with steel, iron, aluminum, and other metals, it performs exceptionally well on vehicles, trailers, machinery, ships, fences, tools, and agricultural equipment. Combining ease of use with dependable durability, this rust converter is an excellent investment for extending the life and appearance of valuable metal surfaces. Coming in at number 3, Vivideye Rust Inhibitor. This high-performance rust conversion agent delivers professional quality corrosion control by combining a rust converter and metal primer into one convenient, ready-to-use coating. Its advanced high solids formula penetrates and encapsulates rust while filling pits and uneven surfaces, creating a smooth, durable finish that effectively prevents further corrosion. Unlike conventional coatings, it offers outstanding resistance to water, chemicals, salt, UV exposure, heat, and abrasion, making it an excellent choice for demanding industrial, automotive, and outdoor applications. The water-based, low VOC formulation produces minimal odor, making it safer and more comfortable for both indoor and outdoor projects without sacrificing performance. Whether applied to engine bays, brake components, machinery, tools, or exposed metal structures, it forms a long-lasting protective barrier that extends the service life of metal surfaces. Trusted by both professionals and DIY users, this rust converter provides reliable, industrial-strength protection while simplifying restoration and maintenance with its efficient 2-in-1 design. Now at number 4, Corrosion Rust Inhibitor. This water-based rust converter is a highly effective all-in-one solution that paints, primes, and converts rust in a single application, making metal restoration faster and more efficient. Its advanced formula transforms existing rust into a stable protective layer while functioning as a durable latex metal primer, eliminating the need for multiple products. Designed to restore and extend the lifespan of metal equipment, it creates a dependable barrier against corrosion, moisture, and everyday environmental exposure. The non-flammable, non-corrosive composition is safer to use than many traditional rust treatments and cleans up effortlessly with soap and water. Whether applied with a brush, roller, or spray, it spreads smoothly and provides excellent coverage for both small repairs and larger restoration projects. Suitable for marine, automotive, household, and industrial applications, This versatile rust converter delivers reliable long-term protection while offering a convenient, user-friendly solution for preserving the strength and appearance of metal surfaces. And finally, our last pick: Lysrex Rust Inhibitor. This high-performance rust inhibitor paint is an excellent choice for anyone seeking long-lasting protection against corrosion on metal surfaces. Its one-component, ready-to-use formula offers exceptional sealing properties that block moisture, salt, chemicals, and other corrosive contaminants before they can cause further damage. By creating a durable protective barrier, it helps extend the lifespan of metal components while reducing the need for frequent maintenance or costly repairs. Its versatility makes it suitable for automotive parts, industrial equipment, construction materials, marine applications, and heavy machinery, delivering dependable performance in demanding environments. With heat resistance up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, it remains effective even under elevated temperatures, making it ideal for equipment exposed to challenging operating conditions. The coating adheres well to metal surfaces, providing reliable, professional-grade rust prevention with a durable finish. Combining ease of application, industrial strength protection, and broad compatibility, this rust preventive paint is a cost-effective solution for preserving valuable metal assets. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.